Alright, Anna and I was out taking care of some business and ran across this cool car show. It's a little one here in Poplar Bluff.
You can sit in the car and we'll take your picture.
Yeah?
That's an awesome motor. Yeah. So I call my car Mustang Shelly. Yeah, there's a song called Mustang Sally. We call it Shelly. It's all original. Okay, I got a visitor here. Come on in, have a seat.
All right.
Okay, you gotta do the thumbs up now, okay?
Oh, you got a bigger thumbs up than that. You're hiding it. There you go.
I put one hand on the steering wheel.
Yeah, there you go. Say, I'll be styling now.
Looking good, kid.
Hit your fingers.
That's what we're talking about.
Now.
Smile. So what do
Yeah,
you think?
when
You can drive something like that?
No, but it's cool.
She's got a really cute dimple. The poor thing's got teenager syndrome. She's just now becoming one, so I hardly get to see it anymore.
Oh, I understand that.
Yeah.
Hey, we were teenagers once too. What's your name?
Annalise.
Ailey?
Annalise.
Annalise?
Annalise.
Annalise.
My name's Buzz.
Looks like Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah. Except I was Buzz before he was. But it was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hey, thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Thank you. There you go, baby.
Oh, wait, I got something I'll give you.
Oh, hold on.
So, I got some Buzz built stickers.
Uh-oh.
And I call my shop Bad Motorsports. Bad Motorsports. So, Bad stands for Buzz and Debbie. So, I'm going to give you some stickers.
Nice.
Put them on your car, your bicycle, your computer.
Heck yeah. I've actually got a YouTube.
Okay, so do you know what the red means?
No.
Fire department.
Fire department?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they have blue for police, now they have red
Oh.
for
You remember I had those on the back of my truck?
No.
Yeah, the blue line and the red line.
Oh yeah.
And-
then the green means on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know what the house lights mean, like the light bulbs.
The porch lights.
Thank you.
Well, you're welcome.
That'll work. Thank you, sir. That absolutely made her day, I
Oh,
think.
yeah.
All right. And your name was Buzz?
Yeah, Buzz Downing.
Buzz Downing.
I'm on Facebook, you know.
Okay.
We enjoy doing car things, and
Yeah.
you know, kids and grandkids have been all over this car, and
Yeah.
always let other kids and anybody that wants to sit in and get it's to enjoy.
Yeah. 100%. I'm glad people are still, out here keeping them alive.
Yeah,
I wish I'd have had somebody to teach me to do it, but I sure love being around them.
yeah.
these stingrays are really cool. Yeah. Yep. What you think, baby? I said, what you think? So the purple one's still your favorite? Yeah. But we got here just in time to see him leave. Check out this Super Sport before they get out of here.
Yeah, they're going down that way if you want to meet them.
Yeah, we got to get back towards the house. They just kind of drove by and saw them all parked out here.
Yeah, normally the first Saturday every month, this is where we all hang out.
Heck yeah. Get them all pulling out of here. Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my video. This has probably been one of the heaviest editing endeavors that I've done up to this point. Like I said before, I'm just trying to teach myself this on the fly. I'm learning as I go. If you liked it, get in the comments. Let me know. Hit the like button. If not, get in the comments also. Let me know what I could have done better. I would take advice from anyone that might have a different perspective. Uh, might be able to give me some pointers. Anyway, At any rate, whether you liked it or whether you didn't, I hope you enjoyed the cars. You guys have a good one. Peace out.